Good morning, Chad. Good morning, Legend. Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Vaz. We are starting gapped up on the NQ, 30 points. Friday's close was at 23,224. We are starting gapped up 30 points. NQ currently up 0.13%. ES is up 0.15%. ES is starting below the 200 SMA, below the 100 MA, trying to test the VWAP as we speak. We're currently 10 seconds away from open. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Market is open. NQ 30-minute VWAP is at that yellow line. It's waking up to it, waking up to it, waking up to it. I'll go for early short and with one. It's at that pivot point. May not stop, may go all the way to that pre-market high. Been on a little pullback off this wick up. 30-point wick up so far. Adding one more. Down 100, down 200, down 300. Going against this real quick. 1 minute to open. ES tapping the 200 SMA, getting above that pivot point. Up 25, up 30, up 75. Two contracts short. May not stop. May go right to that pre-market high. 23,308. Down 300. Straight up action for now. Pivot point at 23,276. It's above the NQ 30-minute VWAP. Just playing the extremes for now. ES getting above the VWAP, 100 MA, 200 SMA. And Nvidia starting 0.4% up. Tesla starting 2.17% up. What's up, Tom? So far, it's holding. Shooting up. And with two more, I want to pull back. May not get it. May just flush this pre-market high. They are going against it right now. Down 400, down 500, down 600, down 700. 4 contracts short. I'm not waiting for the 15-minute opening range today. We're playing a little risky. Up 50. ES not rejecting the 200 SMA. It's climbing. Nvidia flipping red, 0.2%. Microsoft down 0.5%. ES is wicking up. NQ is probably going to wick up to that green line at least. Probably get a little wick up above that. Down 1,000, down 1,200. I'm gonna wait till it flushes. Wait till it flushes at 23,308. There's also a pivot point right there. I'm gonna wait till it wicks a little above it. ES is trying to pull back. We'll see. Down 10 points. Nvidia just coming down hard. Nvidia is now down 0.35%, but it could regain. Okay, we're probably gonna wick up. Be careful. ES is pulling back. What's up, funny? You guys should not be following me. Very risky to trade before the 15-minute opening range. This count blows, I'll get into a higher value one. Okay, we're about to wick up to that pre-market high. Waiting. Down 15 points. Wicking up. About to flush the pre-market high, about to flush the pivot point. ES is really trying to pull back. I think it's just consolidation though. Tesla's up 1%, Google's up 1.5%, Amazon up 0.15%, Microsoft down 0.6%, Meta up 1%, Apple up 0.8%. Appreciate the follow, life. We're about to flush that pre-market high. Video coming up a bit. Okay, here we go. Flushed a little bit. I'm looking for the wick above it. Five minutes in the market, 10 minutes till the 15-minute opening range is closed. Waiting for the wick, waiting for the wick. A little further. This does not have to pull back. This could be one of those days that just slowly grinds up 100, 200 points. Waiting for the wick, a little more, a little more, a little more, a little more.
Order.
We are full port of this count.
Order filled. Order filled.
Full port, 15 contracts. It either pulls back here or does not. We will get in a higher value count if it does not. Probably at a little higher up. We'll see. Probably when the ES flushes its pre-market high. 1,000 away from blowing. That account's blown. Rotating. A little higher. A little higher. Tesla's coming down a bit. Okay. Does not look like it's going to slow down at all. Pivot point at 23,309. Fully claimed it as support. Again, this could be one of those days it just slowly grinds up for 100, 200, 250 points to 1130, 1230, then slowly starts to grind down, then has a drop. ES pulling back a little bit. We're gapped up now 100 points. 100 points for Friday's close, 23,224. NQ is now up 0.4%. ES is up 0.22%. The VIX is up 2.4%. Tap that pivot point, straight bounce. ES 5 points away from filling the pre-market high flush. NQ already flushed the pre-market high a while ago. ES is not yet completed. There is an opportunity coming. 15-minute opening range closes in 5 minutes. Starting to tighten up. A lot of pressure from above. I think it still has some legs. Maybe 1 to 2 more till ES reclaims that pre-market high. Nvidia started to come up. It's kind of consolidating right now. AMD up 0.8%. QCOM up 1.5%. Apple up 1.4%. Meta up 1.1%. Amazon up 0.5%. Bitcoin up 1.2%. ETH up 1.4%. Sol up 6.3%. ES climbing. ES is really close to a long-term trend line. ES close to flushing the pre-market high at 6,354. Try to stay patient. 1 minute until that 15-minute opening range is closed. We have news at 10 a.m. EST, U.S. leading index change month over month. At 11:30 a.m. U.S. 6-month bill high yield. Bid to cover. Also the U.S. 3-month bill. Good morning, Toby. Good morning, Todd. So far, straight up 100 points. Think it has one more leg in it. He is very close to tapping the pre-market high. Think it's going to flush a little bit. Problem is, it could just keep going. Yes, about to flush it. Yes, it's flushed the pre-market high. And too short. This could be a day. It does not stop. Could just slowly grind up, move up, consolidate, move up, consolidate. And the 4 short, down 500, down 600. Just straight up.
Order filled.
And 6 contracts short. It's either going to pull back now or it's just going to slow grind up all day. We'll see. Nvidia about to flip green.
Order filled.
And with 10 contracts short. Pull back. So far, only a 6-point pullback. ES is starting to look like it wants to pull back. I'm unsure. Nvidia flipped green. Tesla gave away all the gains. Close to turning red. Okay, 10-point pullback so far. That might be all it has. Down 300, down 400, down 500, 10 contracts short. Overextended, it's bounced 150 points. Friday's close, 23,224. It may just consolidate here and continue up. This could be a day. It just goes 250, 300 points up, grind up till 10:30, 11:30, 12:30. Down 1,000, down 1,200, down 1,300, down 14. ES trying to pull back. Nvidia's coming up though. Nvidia now up 0.2%. ES just waking up. Thousand away from blowing. $12 points down. I'm not adding to this. You guys may be wondering why I'm not foreporting. I have 5 more contracts I could add. I'm waiting because I think it's waking up, manipulating it, then I'll drop it. It's kind of what I'm thinking. Could be wrong. We would have added 5 contracts, we would have been blown right there. ES showing no sign of a pullback. It just wants to keep going up. RSI very overextended. Williams R 20-day overextended. Same for the NQ 30-minute. We need a video pullback. Google to pull back. Google's up 2.3% right now. Meta's up 1.6. Apple's up 1.6. MicroStrategy's up 2.9. Appreciate the follow, Ash. Appreciate the follow, Shah. Okay, is this where we get the pullback? Or is this a manipulation down to send this up? Down 300, down 600, 10 contract short. Up 5. Pullback, baby. Up 50, up 100. ES is pulling back. We'll see, chat. We'll see. Nvidia's close to flipping red again. Dow's up 0.1%. Russell 2000's up 0.5%. ES trying to come up. Drop, 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 pull, 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 pull. ES starting to come up. Hopefully it's manipulation up, send this down. RSI is below the MA. ES about to create a higher high. Divergence though, there's divergence on that RSI. Bitcoin climbing. Trying to stay patient. Video coming up. Pull, pull, pull. Up 55. Flush. Up 100. Up 300. Flushing down. Up 7. NQ 5 minutes starting to look very bearish. We'll see. Playing very hard to get today. Down 15, down 16, down 17. We'll see. Either this account's going to blow and then we'll slow it down for a minute, or it's going to pull back. $500 away from blowing, and
Order filled.
blown. We'll slow down for a minute. Tesla flipping red, Nvidia about to flip red. Alibaba flipping red. US lean index change month over month just came out. Came out as expected. US lean index change month over month came out as expected, negative 0.3%. ES seems to be finally pulling back. We'll see if it's manipulation or not. This market is going to be hard to read today. I thought it may be, but I was expecting a pullback after the ES flushed that pre-market high. Didn't happen. Ended up with 2 blown accounts. Tomorrow we have a lot of news, so market's probably just waiting for that. It's going to be pretty unpredictable, and we'll just try and predict it a little bit. Scap around key points. We'll have to wait for really good opportunities. We have General Motors, Coca-Cola, Raytheon, Lockheed Martin, Fed Pal, Coca-Cola earnings, General Motors, Raytheon's earning call, etc. Earning calls, OpenAI CEO speaking at Fed event, tentative, meaning it can move up and down the schedule. We have a lot of stuff happening tomorrow. Yeah, the only thing on for today's docket is Verizon earnings, which have already passed. 10 a.m., which has already passed. U.S. leading index change month-over-month came in as expected. Only thing on the docket so far is 11:30 a.m. U.S. 6-month bill. Just gonna be a hard one. Hard trading is what it is. ES starting to pull back now. Tesla's now down to 0.3%. Amazon's up 0.6%. Microsoft's up 0.3%. Meta's up 1.4%. Apple's up 1.45%. Netflix is up 0.5%. MicroStrategy is up 2%. Palantir's up 0.4%. GME up 0.4%. Costco's up 0.2%. Alibaba's up 0.6%. AveGo's up 1.5%. AMD's up 0.6%. QCom's up 1.8%. Adobe's up 0.35%. Voyager Technologies is down 2.3%. Robinhood is down 1.2%. Good job, Brad. Good job. The VIX is at 16.73, up 2% for today. What's up, account? What do you think is easier, penny stocks or crypto? For the general person, penny stocks, because it's easier to enter than figuring out how to use crypto. General person still doesn't know how to access crypto, deposit in crypto. The exchanges make it a little easier. MoonPay makes it a little easier. Cash App made it a little easier, but they're still a little unfamiliar. The general person still does not hold Bitcoin, nor do they know how to access it, know what the blockchain is, etc., etc. So penny stocks are definitely going to be easier for the average person. Who, me, Brad? I'm not only starting stream for half an hour, so regardless, I'm trading. No matter if today is a red day or not, which so far it is. Appreciate it, Joe. ATR reached a max of 14. Max of 14 ATR on the NQ 2-minute chart. Starting to come down already. It's only been 45 minutes in the market. Should have known when there was this little news on the docket. Hopefully Trump can get active. ES create a lower high, trying to come down, and Q create a higher high. Good luck, Brad. Good luck, good luck. Crypto Fear and Greed Index came out 71 out of 100 greed. Where is the stock market one? We gotta wait for that. NQ is up 0.7%. ES is up 0.5%. Big spike up. Not sure what that news was, unless there was none. Just manipulation. 20-point spike. Fear and Greed Index for the stock market came out 76 out of 100. Extreme greed. What are metals sitting at? Silver's up 80 cents on the day. Silver's at $39.10 an ounce. Gold's at $3,408, up $51 an ounce today. Today is not going to be easy, boys. Not going to be easy. So far, trend is up. ES creating a higher high and Q creating a higher high, tapping that resistance trend line range. ATR is at 13. Good job, Brad. It was all right, Norman. It was all right. All right, so now we're gapped up 180 points. Friday's close at 23,224. Try to break outside the range, got right back whacked into it, pulled back right back into it. Move this fib. ES trying to come up. ES has a pretty important trend line. It's a pretty important trend line from way out here. Since 2021. Respect to this trend line pretty well, so we'll see. Right there, 12 points away. May just want to go smack it real quick. Wick a little above it, then come back into it, reject it. Consolidation grind up from the NQ. What's up, William? Well, there's an opportunity coming. It's either gonna break this trend line to the bottom, I'll short it, or it's gonna keep climbing up to the ES trend line. Very important trend line. It could want to do it, may do it. That's kind of what I'm thinking it's gonna do. Nvidia now up 0.4%. Tesla climbing up. And Q about to create a higher high. Good job, Brad. ES trying to pump up. And Q trying to break outside the range. Mondays with no news equals very low volatility pretty early. Didn't go with trend, expected to pull back, didn't get it. It went up straight 200 points. It is what it is. It is what it is. What's up, Clip? Yeah, I was trying to continue to climb up. Tesla flipped red again. Problem is, ES is so close to that trend line. May just want to tap it. Tap it in. Just tap it in. And Q trying to break out of that range. Yeah, Todd, I usually skip these type of days, but decided to trade it, put the risk on, and it is what it is. We're just waiting for the next opportunity now, then we'll put another account on it and just see what happens. ES starting to pull back. ES having a nice rip down. Could be manipulation down, send us up. Pretty nice wick. See if thank you can follow. Mondays that have really low news like today on the docket, but are followed by tomorrow heavy news, heavy earnings. The Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, they're pretty rough days to trade on. Unless you're Brad and just have cojones. He's eating this consolidation up. I am not a consolidation trader. Not at all. Not really a low volatility trader either. But going to have to be today. ATR at 13. I think ES is starting to pull back. See if thank you follows. Trend line's at 6,381 on the ES. 11 points away for the ES. Tesla's now down 0.4%. Nvidia is up 0.37%. Amazon's up 0.8%. Russia and Ukraine may hold talks July 24th through the 25th in Turkey. BOC survey tariffs and related uncertainty continue to have major impacts on businesses' outlooks. Most businesses expect to maintain current staffing levels and limit investment to regular maintenance over the next 12 months. Separate BOC business leaders polls. Fewer export-focused firms expect the worst-case tariff-related scenarios that they envision in quarter 1. BOC survey: 23% of firms expect inflation to be above 3% for the next 2 years, unchanged from quarter 1. 43% of firms expect lower labor costs over the next 12 months. 9% see higher labor costs. The consumer survey shows expectations for 5-year inflation have risen to 3.45% from 3.39%. 24% of firms reported outright decline in sales over previous 12 months, down from 28% in Q1. 28% of companies accept Canada to be in a recession over the next year, down from 32%. ES is slowly coming down, NQ slowly following. If you're a consolidation trader, low volatility trader, you should be eating all this up. I've blown two accounts, Eddie. ATR's at 11. Slowly grinding down. Could be the start. May wick down to the 20 May, testing the range. NQ 30 minute looking weaker. NQ 5 minutes starting to break down. We'll see. Appreciate file A, appreciate file DW, Brad, Ajos, Os. Appreciate you guys. Every day cannot be a green day. Still can get it back. I have to see. Try to break outside the range, straight back into it. ES coming up a bit. Is the manipulation up? The sun is down, or is this true bounce? Remember, Friday's close at 23,224. Currently gapped up 180 points. Looking for news. Trump tweet. Still could be a wick. Still could reclaim that range. We'll see. ES is trying to bounce. Market slow. Very, very slow. Snail's pace. ES starting to come down. Let's see. NQ tapping into the 21 EMA. NQ 5 minutes still a ways away. 30 points away from the 21 EMA. All right, let me move the NQ 30-minute VWAP. It's at 23,332. How you doing with that long, Brad? Hopefully you're all right. Very risky, low volatility. It's ranging up after a 200-point bounce like that very early in the morning. Could have continued, to be fair to you. It could have continued the rest of the day. We're starting a little pullback. I'm not really convinced that it's going to be a major one though. So far it's just grinding down, low volatility, ATR at 12. About to tap the 23.6 fib, below the 20 May. NQ 5-minute getting closer to the 20 May. We'll see. Not good today, Yee. Very interesting name, Yee. Blown 2 counts so far today, Yee. May blow some more. We'll see. I could feel it. I could feel it in the air before I started stream. Something weird. Feel it. Could feel it. I was like Gapper early in the morning. Rubbing the crystal ball like Gapper does, predicting the market. Maybe not today, but probably tomorrow and later this week. We're still really green last week. This loss is in nowhere comparison to even Thursday, Wednesday, one of those days. Compared to the week, it's literally a flash in the pan. Compared to the month, it's literally nothing. Compared to the year, nothing to even mention. Just about being patient, not full tilting. That's all this is about. Markets goes against you, have a couple bad trades, you need to slow down, deleverage a little bit, and just slow down. Especially when you know it's a Monday, very low news on the docket. Tomorrow news, heavy docket. Wednesday, heavy news docket. Thursday, heavy news docket. ATR is already at 11. That being said, Trump could tweet something and ATR starts to come in, volatility starts to come in, more opportunities come in, etc., etc. So far, this is just slow grind down, very ugly grind down. Not every day can be a green day, chat. If you are expecting that, you are in the wrong business. This is not one of those guru channels that show just video win. Shorts win. This is real live trading. Not every day can be green. Still have a lot of time left in the day. We'll see. I have them days too. The chart can be screaming short and buy, but no matter what I trade, I put on goes the wrong way. Yeah, you really can't read the market perfectly every single day. It is what it is. What lev do you use when you blow the account, Chris? What do you mean, mister? These are 150K take profit traders account. So you have 4,500 in drawdown. You get to that and your account blows. Trump is wild for the market, sometimes good, other times he has ruined trades for me. I was in 15 contracts full for the first one, mister. You can go to max 15 contracts, minis, 150 contracts for the micros. I was in 15 on the first one, 10 on the second. We're gonna bounce on that range. See. Appreciate the follow, Tom. Tom Law. Boom, 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 boom. That's a bounce of the 23.6 fib as well. What's up, Ma? What is up, Ma? My heart.
Order filled.
And with 2 contracts, putting a stop
Submitted.
right below the range. We'll see. It either breaks out of the range, we snag 10, 20 points, or we don't. Down 100, down 150. 2 contracts long. Needs to stay above that 21 EMA. Could be a false break out of the range. It just breaks below the support range below. And 30 man wants to go lower. And 5 man wants to go lower. Let's see. Down 200, 2 contracts long, about to be stopped out. 4 points away. And 1 point away.
Order
And stopped out for negative 400. So far, it's outside the range. We'll see. ES is trying to come up. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. NQ 10-minute trying to bounce. Tesla flipping red and green.
Order filled.
We'll see. We'll put a stop right above this wick. Only reason I'm taking this is because the NQ 5-minute is starting to pull back a little more. Tesla flipping right again. A little late to start this short. We'll see. Below the 20 EMA, this should pull back 10 points, at least to the bottom of that range. ES probably going to go to the 100 MA, or it's going to bounce right here. Either or. We'll see. Up 50. ATR is at 10. This is in a consolidation range of sorts. So it could pop. Could have a boom. Pull back. Let's go. I'm gonna move this down a little bit. De-risk a little bit. Right above the 20 EMA, right above those candles. 9-point stop. NQ 30-minute may bounce here. We'll see. ES starting to pop up. Oh, this is NQ Futures, the future indices of the NASDAQ. I'm on NinjaTrader, connected to NinjaTrader with prop firm accounts. ES climbing up. Probably going to be stopped out here. Down 100, down 150. 2 contracts short. Sol is up 8.5%. XRP is up 5.2. Just coiling up here. May get a pop. Trying to break outside range. RSI is above the MA on the ES 1 minute. Probably gonna pop. Down 80, down 100, down 70, down 50, down 20. Trying to pop, trying to bounce off this range. Up 10, up 20. Either drops or doesn't. Movement stop right above the 21 EMA. Slicing it by 2 points. Either pulls back here or reclaims the range and it pops. Looks like it's gonna pop. A 50. Yes, bouncing. Low volatility market. Gotta love it. Up 20, up 40, up 50, up 60. 2 contracts short. Flush, flush, flush. Up 100. Up 150. Flash down, probably going to bounce now. Manipulation down, selling this up. Yep. Classic. Classic, classic. Battery stopped out. Down 100, down 200, 2 contracts short. Battery stopped out on this wick up. It's above the range now. Let's clean up the chart. The double manipulation, eh? Manipulation down, manipulation up. We'll see. Up 200. Up 300. Taking one.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Moving stop break even for the other. We'll trail this down. May take it at the range. I think I'm just going to trail it down. Up 150. I want to get started investing, and what would be a good way to start? If I was a beginner again, if I didn't have half a decade experience, I would start simulate trading, demo trading, record my trading, introspect after each day of trading, have an Excel spreadsheet, write my winning, losing trades, calculate the win rate, calculate the win rate, calculate the profit loss, write a little description sentence on each day. Probably gonna be stopped out for break even. Remember, we still have negative in this account. We got stopped out for 10 points, negative 400. We made 200 back on that one contract, so we're still down 200 in that account. Yeah, but just record your trading. Most traders do not record their trading. Record your trading so you can introspect, review, adapt. There's a break-even stop. Bringing outside the range. This market is straight garbage. It's the way I'm trading it though. Bum ba bum. Bum ba bum. Bum ba bum. Bum ba bum. Alright, moving stop down right to the high of the wick. Gonna secure 2 points. Matt, I'm not a financial advisor. I can give you no financial advice, my friend. About to be stopped out and stopped. Remember, we're still negative in that account because we took a 10-point loss. So we're up, like, we're down 180. Bringing us out of the range to be fair. Good job, Brad. Good job. Stopped out. Yeah. March is weird today. And it's all me. I'm not reading it well today. Didn't go with trend to start. Thought there was going to be a pullback at the NQ 30-minute VWAP, at the pre-market high on the NQ, then the pre-market high on the ES. None of it came to fruition. It's very hard to pinpoint these low news days for me. When there's really low lackluster news on the docket for Monday, then there's really heavy news on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's normally pretty rough trading conditions. And I do not like going with trend once it's extended plus 100 points. I'd rather go against it, and it usually works if you time it right at key points, at the NQ 30 minute, at very solid pivot points, at the pre-market highs. But I really think the market's just magneting this ES to this very, 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 very important trend line. I think it's going to magnet it there, then probably mess around, maybe consolidate, maybe just hold it. It's really acting weird today, so I think it may just hold it. And then tomorrow, pre-market, post-market, probably wick down a little bit, then play around the range tomorrow with the news we have. Supposedly there's supposed to be a crypto related announcement from Trump today that may send us higher than trend. All rumors though. Yeah, I have not kept up with news. ATR's at 9. Appreciate it, Luca. It's not mine, it's from the YouTube music library. Yeah, legend, you can spend a lot of time curating music. Tapping the 23.6% fib again. See if it holds or rejects. NQ 30 minute has a nice wick to prop up a bounce. Your 5 minute could bounce here. Tesla is now down 0.35%. Oh, 100% legend. What's up, Will? Willy Wonka. Willy Wonka. Fed bids for 3 month bills total 3.2 billion. Fed bids for 6 month bill total 2.8 billion. We have news in 11 minutes. US 6 month and 3 month bill. ES flushing down a little bit. NQ5 man about to tap the 20 man. FL said short run up, then we'll seek downside. I'm just chilling. Chilling. Well, it's downtrending right now, obviously. Getting a bounce off that trend line for now. Trying to reclaim the 23.6 fib. Okay. Bouncing a little bit. News in 8 minutes. The high or low. Broke above the 20 May, broke above the range. Testing it again. ES is trying to come up. 30-minute looking like it may bounce. ATRs at 9.25. Just one big consolidation range. Trying to stay patient. No FOMO, no overtrading. Hardest part trading, being patient, waiting for the correct setup. ES created a higher high. It's coming up as well. And Q currently sitting above the 20 MA, broke out of the range. Starting to bounce. Everything's linked below us. FinancialJuice. Link below. Everything's linked below. Everything I use is linked below. Tomorrow's docket's pretty stacked. As you can see, Wednesday is pretty stacked. Thursday, Friday, and Monday's not stacked whatsoever. So I was somewhat expecting a rough trading day today, but you looking to take a short there, FL? 403, 406, sweet spot IMO. I'm no time traveler or none. Starting to get more and more bullish. NQ 30 man looking better. Sometimes it happens, guys. Some days it does not even pull back whatsoever. Some days it just slowly grinds up, consolidates low down, slowly grind up, consolidate down 200, 250, 300 points. It's done that one day out of 3 months so far. 1 day in 3 months. It happened like 3 weeks ago. 1 minute until news. US 6-month bill, 3-month bill. That's the only thing left on the docket. What's up, chicken? Long time no see. Lost 2 accounts today. We're down 180 in the other one. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. News is out. So far, not moving the market at all. Could be delayed a minute. Quicken up a little bit. Market high, NASDAQ high, stock market high at 23,424. Waiting for that news to come out. Still waiting for it to come on the docket. I have no more Apex counts, chicken. 0. They were 2 TBT counts. Still waiting for the 6-month, 3-month bill to come on to my screen. US 6-month bill high yield 4.115%. Previously it was 4.125%. US 6-month bill but to cover 3.06. Previously it was 3.1. US 3-month bill high yield 4.240%. Previously it was 4.245%. US 3-month bill but to cover 2.98. Previously it was 3.1. All right, this is the last trade of the day. Well, I was about to go long. I'm just forcing it. We're done for the day. 2 blown accounts, 1 account's down 180. We'll go over it. Analysis for members only, premium plus, the insiders only, and make that video in a couple hours once I'm a little removed and can give you guys the best analysis. But we are done for the day. It is what it is. I had a feeling before stream today was going to be a rough day. Try to persevere, try to just trade at key levels. Got burned. Sometimes it happens. Every day cannot be a green day. Tomorrow we will persevere through resistance. We're still green on the week, green on the month, green on the year. So this is only a drop in the bucket. Appreciate all of you. No FOMO, no over trading. Gotta stop when market's bad. Right now ATR is at 9.53. To be fair, Trump could tweet something, Elon could say something, this market can go up, 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 and away. Also, I kind of have the conviction today that ES is going to go to this trend line. Currently only 8 points away. There's a very key trend line at 6,381 on the ES futures. NQ30 minutes starting to prop up. Was about to take 5 contracts long right here, put a stop right below 20 May. Probably would have worked. High market at 23,422. But besides that, we're just gonna call it, not force any more trades. Come back tomorrow. On the docket tomorrow's news, we have General Motors Q2 2025 earnings, Coca-Cola Q2, Raytheon Q2, Lockheed Martin Q2 earnings, Fed Powell speaking, Jerome Powell speaking at 8:30 a.m. EST. We have earnings call from Coca-Cola, General Motors, Raytheon at 8:30. At 10 a.m. Richmond Fed comp index, very important. At 11 a.m. we have Lockheed Martin earnings call. 11 a.m. EST, OpenAI CEO speaks at Fed event. Tentative, meaning it can move up and down the schedule. 1 p.m. Fed Bauman speaking, and that's pretty much it. I'm sure Trump will be on the docket as well. Maybe a press briefing from Caroline Leavitt. Never know. We'll just have to see how tomorrow goes. Should offer some more volatility, some more trading opportunity. Buyers should move more normal. Today was just me. Did not adapt to the market. We'll give a more comprehensive overall analysis for the members only for the daily recap video. But besides that, persevere through resistance. No FOMO, no retrading, no missed opportunities, only the next one. We will be back here tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. EST for market open, and we will get this loss back one way or another, chat. Peace.